In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things you need to consider when working with a partner to buy investment properties. So going into a partnership, you want to focus on number 1, what are your roles and responsibilities? So as you sit down with your partner, discuss what each of you are going to be responsible for. What's your role? What's your partner's role? That way you can have these things clearly outlined so there's no miscommunication and you don't get upset with each other if somebody's not doing what they're supposed to do. So again, having these defined responsibilities and roles laid out will make your partnership go much smoother. Number 2, you want to know how you're going to disperse the money so that it's clear how you guys will each distribute the money. If you have a certain percentage breakdown, how frequently you're going to distribute the money so there's no miscommunication again on how the money's being divvied up in the partnership. And number 3, we want to focus on your work schedules and understanding how you guys are going to promote time to work on the business outside of your personal life. So life can get busy, so making sure that you understand your partner's schedule, that'll help again save conflict if you're getting upset with them for not working on certain days at the property, if you're both supposed to be helping out, doing different tasks. So understanding their schedule will give you peace of mind to know when they should and shouldn't be working on the partnership. So these are 3 things to keep in mind to help a partnership go smoother so you don't run into conflict when you're partnering up with someone on a real estate investment property.